Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bubba on Sol token. Now this is a new meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and this looks like a Matt Furie character. And we're going to go over the information on the Bubba token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage, bubba.xyz. It says, Bubba marks a groundbreaking character as the first female protagonist to make waves in the Solana meme culture realm. She emerges from a fan fiction lore as Pepe's childhood sweetheart. So it is a Matt Furie character. I mean, you could tell just by looking at these characters. Now set to make her mark in the cryptocurrency world as the next community-driven empire. So they have on their webpage here frequently asked questions. One of them is, what is Bubba's mission? So Bubba champions community and inclusivity, aiming to inject diversity into the crypto sphere as we endeavor to become the coin of the people. Just like any good adventure, success in the world of meme coins lies in a unified community driven by a shared belief in the token's potential and commitment to making that vision a tangible reality. Are you ready to embark on this journey with us? So it is on the Solana blockchain. So if you wanted to get this token, you can get it off dexes like Raydium or Jupiter. Basically, all you'd have to do, first of all, you need a wallet for Solana tokens. So like a Phantom wallet, Solflare wallet, or Trust wallet would do. You would fund that wallet with Sol, so you could fund it from a central exchange. There's a list of them in the description box down there with the referral code. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, then you'd go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, bubba.xyz, you would trade your Sol for the Bubba token. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here as usual, at BubbaCoin. It says, Pepe's long-lost lover and the original female icon on Solana has a link to their Telegram right there at Bubba Sol Coin on Telegram. Has a link to their webpage, 4,880 followers. And you can tell this project is new because their X here just joined in May 2024. Very active on the socials though. They have 434 tweets already in just a short amount of time. Blue verified check mark. And they put out a recent video here. It's in their pinned tweet. It says, episode 1 out now. Holders, you want to be featured in our next video? Apply on our website. And if you go to the website, they actually do have a box where you could fill out. It says, what would you do for 1 million Bubba tokens? And it says apply below, and you put in your X username or your Telegram username. How much Bubba do you own? Please sell the wallet, or please send the wallet address for them to verify. And then for some reason they want your age, gender. I would be, careful submitting any sort of personal information to any sort of web page. So just be aware of that. Do we even know who these people are? I don't know. So just be careful submitting age, gender, what city you reside in, all this type of stuff, right? You're just giving out information, but hey, you can do whatever you want, but just be careful giving out information like this. And then it says, how did you hear about Bubba? And then you submit it, and then you could potentially be in a video or win some tokens or whatever. They have different socials on their webpage, so the Telegram, Twitter, but they also have an Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube channel. Bottom of the page is a disclaimer. It just says Bubba is a fan, fictional character, and is not affiliated with Pepe or any other characters. It's simply just a meme. Please note the information shared here is not meant to serve as financial investment, trading, or any form of advisory, including guidance on usage or gameplay. Now, they have a chart that you could check out on DEX Tools or DEX Screener. Now, if you go over there, you'll see that their market cap, they're doing very well. $5.5 million market cap. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They're even doing very well today. They're up 53% right now in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.5 million. They have $343,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And if you look on DEX Screener, there is a lock button beside the liquidity here. And it says 99.99% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, token price today is around half a penny or so. They have here the token, the pair on Raydium. It's fairly new. It was just created 16 days, 20 hours ago. So it's not like brand new, but I mean, it's been going strong here for almost 17 days and still has, a market cap well over $5 million. So its token's doing pretty well here. And their Telegram, you can follow at Bubba Soul Coin. They have 2,784 Telegram members. 351 of them are online. So that would be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the token, see what they think. And besides that, you can also find this token listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Bird Eye. You can check them out on SoulScan. These are also all places where you'll be able to find the contract address, but just make sure you have the right contract address. Now, holder-wise, right now they have 3,650 holders. So they're doing very well. 9 decimal places on this token. Name of the token is Bubba, and that is also the ticker symbol. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, and right now the current supply is 999,984,108 tokens. And they have here over 1,000 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 31.52 million pooled Bubba tokens. On DEX Tools, it says their DEX score is 99 out of 99. And they have a community trust score of 99.8% out of 584 votes. And they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security that you could find on DEX Tools. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and it also says no other risks. Now keep in mind that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits before investing in anything. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes down there. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.